In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a password from Microsoft Edge. First, begin by opening Microsoft Edge. You can do this by locating the Edge icon on your desktop or in your taskbar. Once you click it, the browser will load up, displaying your homepage or the last website you visited. This is the starting point for accessing all the features of Edge. Having the browser open allows you to navigate through its settings seamlessly. Once it's fully loaded, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, click the three-dot menu located in the top right corner of the window. This menu is often referred to as the More menu. When you click it, a drop-down will appear, revealing various options. This menu is essential as it provides access to all the settings and features within Microsoft Edge. You will see options for new tabs, settings, and more. This is your gateway to customizing your browsing experience. From there, go to Settings. After clicking the three-dot menu, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will direct you to a new page dedicated to the settings of Microsoft Edge. Here you can manage everything from privacy settings to appearance and passwords. Finding the right settings helps you tailor the browser to your needs. It is important to familiarize yourself with these options for a better browsing experience. Now select Passwords and Autofill from the left sidebar of the Settings page. This section specifically handles everything related to your saved passwords and autofill data. Clicking on this option takes you to the area where you can manage your saved login information. Understanding how to navigate this section is crucial for maintaining your online security and ensuring you have control over your password management. After that, under Saved Passwords, find the website for which you want to remove the password. This list will display all the sites where you have saved your login information. It may take a moment to locate the specific website you wish to modify. Just take your time and scroll through the list. This step is essential as it ensures you are targeting the correct password to delete. Next, click the three dots next to the website name. This will bring up a small menu with additional options. By clicking this, you will have the opportunity to manage your saved passwords more effectively. It's a straightforward action, but it's important because it allows you to take precise control over your saved credentials. You should see options like Edit and Delete. Select Delete from the menu that appears. This action will initiate the removal of the saved password for that specific site. It's a crucial step in ensuring that your sensitive information is managed according to your preferences. Once you select Delete, you will be prompted to confirm your choice. This confirmation is there to prevent accidental deletions, so pay attention to this prompt. Finally, confirm the removal when prompted. This step is essential to ensure that the password is permanently deleted from your saved passwords. Once you confirm, the password will be removed and you will no longer have automatic access to that website unless you save it again later. You will see a confirmation message indicating that the action was successful. And that's it! You have successfully removed a password from Microsoft Edge. This process helps maintain your online security and ensures that you have control over the information stored in your browser. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing!